Let's see if it's still hungry. Would have had about 4 or 5 of these worms, so we'll try another one. And then that'll be it for today.